Hi Snappers. Now that you have your very simple first prototype of your MadLibs working, it's time to do the very first simple prototype of your user interface. What is this going to look like to the user? And we're going to do two things. One thing to make our background look a little bit nicer, the background of our stage, and another thing to make our sprite look a little bit better. Let's start with the stage. I'm going to come down to the stage corral and pick the stage. And I'm going to go over to scripts. Now the easiest thing we can do to the background is just set its color to something that you think looks nice. To do this, this is part of the pen because it's kind of part of drawing a color. In the pen palette, you'll see there is a, I didn't select the stage. Select the stage first. And you'll see the set background color block. Remember in Snap, if you just want to play with a block, bring it over to the scripting area. And I have this color set to this maroon. If I just click on this block, the command will run and you can notice my background color is set to something. Now I might change that to, I don't know, like a green. And if I click on that, so that's just a way to test it. You can then add this block to your script. In the stage, your stage's script, so that it runs when the green flag is clicked, just like everything else. So this is a really easy first way to make your stage look nice. All right, let's think about the sprite. I'm going to come over and click on the sprite in the sprite corral and click on the costumes tab. All sprites just by default have this turtle as their costume. Now you can paint your own costume. You can take a photo, you can upload a photo, you can upload lots of different things you can do. But to start off, the simplest thing, and again, we're prototyping, so we want really something simple. Let's use one of the costumes that Snap has already created. To see what those are, go to the File menu, and down at the bottom is the Costumes item. And this says, select a costume from the media library. So let's open that up. And here are just all the costumes that Snap has that you can use. You might want to look around. I'm going to do, again, something really simple because this is my very first prototype, and I'm going to pick this little guy, Alonzo. And I'm going to say import that costume. I only need one costume for him, and it's selected. If I come back and click on the turtle, it goes back to the turtle costume. If I click on Alonzo, it goes on to Alonzo. I might want to move Alonzo too so that he is in a place that I want him when he's going to talk and tell my MadLib. All right, so those are two super simple things you can do for your interface. Set the background color of the stage using the set background color block, and give your sprite a costume by loading something from the costume library. All right, I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and you're off now to add a little user interface to your MadLibs project.